Today's tutorial is on document assembly using eCopy PDF Pro Office. Currently I have a PDF document in thumbnail view. eCopy Paperworks users and eCopy desktop users, take note that eCopy PDF Pro Office does allow you the same functionality, it's just a different workflow. Let's go ahead and click on View, Single Page, View, Document Assembly. So if you're taking notes, please write down to move one page from one document to another document, use Document Assembly. So View, Document Assembly, let's go ahead and do it. Once we have the pages in thumbnail view and we click on Document Assembly, notice another toolbar presents. We're going to go to the far right on this toolbar and click Page Assembly, which gives us the ability to browse into a folder and then to open up another document. Let's go ahead and double click fast on that document, which we just did. And notice when I open the document, it automatically opens it in thumbnail view. So now I'm in position to click, hold, and drag this page from this document down to this other document we had in thumbnail view. It's the only page I need, so I'm going to close this out. And there is our new page seated in this document. If we want to rearrange this page anywhere in the document, click, hold, drag on the gray toolbar, and then you can put it any place in the document you so desire. And that is document assembly, how to create a new document from various documents using eCopy PDF Pro Office and document assembly.